Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash is Ching. What if you could make money while you sleep? No, I'm not talking about some sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. I mean real, sustainable passive income. The kind that keeps coming in, whether you're working, traveling, or just binge-watching your favorite shows. In this video, we're breaking down 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. And trust me, some of these ideas might surprise you. Before we jump in, let's get one thing straight. Passive income is not get-rich-quick, but it is get-rich-smart. Unlike a 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money, passive income is about setting something up once and letting it generate money over time. Think about it like this. If you work a regular job, you only get paid when you work. But with passive income, the money keeps coming in, even while you sleep. All right, now that we're on the same page, let's get into the 10 best passive income ideas for 2025. Starting with one that almost anyone can do. Let's start super simple. If you've got money sitting in a regular bank account earning nothing, you're leaving free money on the table. In 2025, high-yield savings accounts and government bonds are offering some of the best interest rates in years. Imagine putting your money in an account that pays 4 to 5% interest with zero effort. If you deposit $10,000, that's $400 to $500 a year passively. And if you want even higher returns, consider government-backed bonds or T-bills, which are paying out more than they have in decades. Now, let's talk about getting paid just for owning stocks. With dividend stocks, companies pay you every quarter, just for holding their shares. Think of it like this. Imagine buying stock in a company like Coca-Cola or Apple. Not only does your investment grow over time, but they also send you free money just for being a shareholder. The best part? You can reinvest those dividends to grow your money even faster. Now, what if I told you that you could make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? It's called YouTube automation. Instead of filming yourself, you hire voiceover artists, video editors, and scriptwriters to create faceless videos for you. Then once your channel is monetized, YouTube pays you every month through ad revenue. And get this, some automated channels make tens of thousands of dollars per month. Not bad for a channel you don't even have to appear on, right? Ever recommended a product to a friend? Now imagine getting paid every time someone buys that product because of you. That's affiliate marketing. And it's one of the most powerful passive income streams out there. Here's how it works. First, you share a special affiliate link for a product you like. Then, if someone clicks it and buys, you get paid. You don't have to create a product. You don't deal with shipping. You just share links and earn commissions. And the best part? You can do this through a blog, social media, or even YouTube videos. Want to get paid over and over again for something you create just once? That's the magic of digital products. Things like ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos. Once you make a digital product and list it online, people can buy it 24/7 without you doing any extra work. And guess what? Some people make 6 figures a year from selling simple Notion templates, Canva designs, or even Excel spreadsheets. Yes, spreadsheets. Crazy, right? All right, let's speed things up. Here are 5 more passive income ideas that work in 2025. Number 6, rent out storage space. Got extra space in your garage? People pay just to store their stuff. Number 7, invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Own real estate without actually buying property. Number 8, sell an online course. Teach something once, get paid forever. Number 9, build an app or software. If you can't code, hire a developer. Apps bring in recurring income. Number 10, create a membership site. People pay you monthly for exclusive content or a private community. And there you have it, 10 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Some are super easy. Others take a little effort up front. But the key to passive income? Get started now so you can enjoy the rewards later. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if this video gave you even one good idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another money-making tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.